Hello and welcome to Prudent News. Now a look at the headlines. 5 masked men trespass into a government primary school. Forcibly confine 4 minor girl students in school toilet. No arrest yet. Parents agitated. Pratap Singh Rane declines an offer to contest Lok Sabha election from North Goa on Congress ticket. I want to spend this term in Goa, says Rane. Ecolob to decide the fate of Lusophonia Games in Goa. Games may be delayed as infrastructure may not reach its completion stage. Two of the girls arrested in UP MLA dance girl case are habitual offenders. Both were rescued from flesh trade once before. And fast bowling department may need a professional signing, says Goa's new cricket coach Nuwan Joysa. Now the news in detail. One more incident like Vasco school rape case was averted by an alert victim minor girl at Akshi. 5 masked men trespassed into a government primary school premises and forcibly confined 4 minor girl students in the school's toilet. Before they could commit any other heinous crime, one brave girl escaped from their clutches and raised an alarm. Parents of the students and locals are angry as Akshi police have failed to arrest culprits even after 24 hours.
During the recess time on Friday, 4 minor girl students unaware about the presence of 5 masked attackers went to this toilet. Suddenly, attackers appeared from these bushes, gagged the victim girls and confined them into this toilet. But one brave girl succeeded to escape from the claws of the attackers and raised alarm. After hearing the noise, teachers and the locals reached there, but attackers fled away.
5 जाण कोण येयल्ले आनी तिका भुरगीं भितर गेल्ले एक भुरगें भायर आहलें मागीर चोर ताका हातीक धरलें ताणें हातीक धरलें आनी तोंडाक गुड्डो मारलो मागीर त्या संडासाक घातलें आनी ताका भितर घातलें आनी ते गेले त्या वेळार ते चेडवान मागीर बोवाळ केली आनी मागीर कोणें काडलें खबर ना खेळ.
When we asked the teachers about this incident, they were reluctant to speak and said that their seniors have instructed not to talk to media regarding this incident. But parents were concerned about their children's security and locals were angry that police has not been able to nab the culprit even after 24 hours.
फाल्यां सगळे भोंवता फाल्यां चवथीचे दीस आहा भुरगीं भोंवता ती किडनॅप करूंक शकता हेजेर जात तेणी इंचांनी हें करूंक जाय. आतां पळय जाल्यार झाडां बीन वाडलेलीं आनी आतां ती आतां मारपाक चालू केला ते तुमी हेजेर घेवंक जाय सरकारान तेजेर एक्शन घेवपाक जाय आनी तेका पळय तेका आतां ही यातना जाल्ली आसा फाल्यां बरी जर आतां रेप आनी अशी घटना घडलेली जाल्यार कितें जातालें.
Agasai police is clueless about the attackers but say that they were locals as they were wearing knickers and t-shirts.
Investigation going on. We have primarily suspected some local boy may be involved in this because of they were wearing the short pants and t-shirts.
Months after tragic Vasco minor rape case, seems that school administration across the state have not learned any lesson from that incident. Though this kidnapping or rape attempt have been filed, but parents are very much angry here. School administration is not ready to talk about this incident, but local people are very much angry and asking about the security of their kids. With video journalist Omkar Flari, Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.
Leader of opposition and senior Congress leader Pratap Singh Rane has turned down the offer of contesting Lok Sabha election from North Goa as Congress candidate. Highly placed sources informed Prudent that the offer was made to the veteran leader from Delhi and some of the leaders from Goa Congress too backed the proposal. But Rane has declined it.
Although there are many aspirants for the North Goa ticket of the Congress for Lok Sabha, Delhi played a card that trumped many. The offer was given to Congress's tallest leader in the state, Pratap Singh Rane. But he refused to take it. When Prudent contacted senior Rane, this is what he said. Yes, I had an offer to contest from North Goa, but I'm not interested. I want to continue in state politics for this remaining term. The way Lok Sabha is functioning these days, I would be a misfit. There are many aspirants. Let them have a chance. Sources close to Rane said that the veteran politician is not in a mood to take any risk with his political career right now. They mentioned following points while analyzing his decision. He is not sure whether all the local leaders of the Congress will back him wholeheartedly. He doesn't want to move to the centre as MP as he is way too senior for that position. His victory run will get spoiled in the case of a defeat in the election. He is not in a mood to take any risk as his position is stable in the state. Congress leaders like Jitendra Deshprabhu, Ramakant Khalab have already expressed their wish to contest from North Goa. NCP is also trying its tricks to retain the ticket in the alliance bargain. Vishnu Wagh has also stated that he has offers from other parties to contest the North Goa Lok Sabha seat. Senior Rane's decision reflects rationale of a seasoned politician considering this background. Bureau Report, Prudent.
The fate of Lusophonia Games lies in the hands of Ecolop. Goa Olympic Association has said that Lusophonia Games may get delayed due to delay in completing the infrastructure, but the event will not be called off at any cost. Goa government is racing against time to complete infrastructure for Lusophonia Games as it is scheduled on 2nd November.
The International Olympic Committee's decision to ban Indian Olympic Association can be a hurdle for India to participate in Lusophonia Games 2013. India will not be able to represent under tricolour flag in Lusophonia Games. In such a situation, the decision to represent under International Olympic Committee's flag has to be taken by Ecolop or IOA.
Ecolopan जर निर्णय घेतलो की भारत देशात बॅन आशिल्ले कारणान खेळ जातना अबाउट इंडियन इंटरनॅशनल ऑलिम्पिक कमिटीच्या बावट्याचेर खेळयतले असो जर तांच्यांनी निर्णय घेतलो आणि आम्ही जर मानून घेतले आमच्यांनी मानून घेवंक जाय न्ही तांच्यांनी एका सायडीसून जायना ते जर जाले जाल्यार मागीर संभावना जावंक शकता तूं म्हणटा ते की भारत देशाचो तिरंगा नासतना जशें आतां पळय नॅन्जिंगाक एशियन गेम जाले पळय चायना थंय आमचे भारत देशाचे सगळे इंडियन इंटरनॅशनल ऑलिम्पिक कमिटीचे बावट्याचेर खेळ्यात सगळे.
Goa Olympic Association confirmed that Lusophonia Games will not be cancelled, but infrastructure factor may delay the event. Government is trying hard to complete infrastructure in record time as hardly 2 months are left for the games to commence.
गेम कॅन्सल जावपाची शक्यताच ना. कशें कॅन्सल जातलो गेम? गेम कॅन्सल करपाचो अधिकार कोणाकूच ना, एकोलॉपाकूय ना. कळ्ळें तुका? कॅन्सल हो प्रश्नूच ना.
पूण डिले जावं शकता.
डिले आतां हांव आयचे दिसा सांगूंक शकना. जे पर्यंत आमकां सरकार सांगिना की बाबा इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर आमचे कडेन पूर्ण तयारी जावचे ना त्या वेळा पर्यंत हांव सांगूंक शकना. पण कदाचित तशें जालें संभावना तशी आसा जाल्यार जावंक शकता. डिले पोस्टपोन जावंक शकता.
पोस्टपोन जावंक शकता.
हय जावंक शकता. हय.
Freedom fighters have already expressed their strong opposition for Lusophonia Games. Some of the MLAs like Vishnu Wagh have also raised their objection. Our reporter Mahesh Ghadi for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.